who are watching at your houses and your mobile phone and your TV, and I am so glad to see you today. Yes, guys, I have a very special recipe for you today. We are making sesame chicken. Woohoo! And I'll be right back after this awesome introduction. This recipe we need 4 chicken breasts. You can use any kind of meat, any part of chicken, but today we are using chicken breasts. Okay, so we are going to just go ahead and start cutting them. All right, let's go move that one, and we're gonna dice them. Okay, there you go, so that we got room. You don't want like really small. Now I am done cutting my chicken, and we are going to season this one, okay? First we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, have cornstarch, and also we have 1 egg, and then we'll just have to mix it together. Alright, we're just gonna mix it thoroughly. And also don't forget our black pepper. And we are going to marinate this one for 30 minutes. And then after this, we are going to fry it. At this time, I am going to get ready for our coating. Now, I'm using cornstarch. Recommended is potato starch, but this time I'm just gonna use the cornstarch. We need 2 cups of cornstarch, and I'm gonna drizzle with a little salt and black pepper. It's about 30 minutes, and now we are ready to coat our chicken, and then it's ready for frying. And also I have my baking sheets over here, and I am going to put a parchment sheets in there. Because the thing is, I have a lot of chicken, so I can't put everything here in at once. So I'm gonna coat it and then after that I'll put it in here so that they won't clump, and then they will stick together. Oops, I got my tongue. I guess I'll just go use my hand. All right, let's. Okay. Now I'm just going to put it on here. Now we are ready to fry our chicken. I think this is really hot now, so we are going to start frying. Make sure that when you fry this, it won't it has space in between, because we don't want this one stick together. We are frying this one in a medium heat. check the chicken from time to time. See if we don't want to burn this one. And remember, we are double frying the chicken, okay? Alright, I'm going to start flipping them over. As you can see, I have my strainer over here. So this is what I use for dripping the oil. Just take it out. Don't worry about it if it's not too brown, because we are going to double fry this, okay? This time I'm going to start double frying it. Now I am ready to make our sauce. I have brown sugar over here, honey, and soy sauce, lemon, and ketchup. So I'm gonna mix this one in a bowl, and they're all 3 tablespoons each. All right. First, we're gonna add our soy sauce, then lemon, sugar, the honey, yes, honey, then the ketchup. Alright. And we just have to mix it really well. Alright, I already finished frying the chicken, and now we are making the sauce. We're just gonna pour our mixture over here. Alright, it looks like our sauce is ready, and we are just gonna mix it with our chicken, okay? We just have to turn this one on. Just mix it like this. Sesame oil, just mix it, and then your sesame seed. Sesame seed. And then let's get another seed. Tell you what, I think I did really well on this recipe. I already tasted, and my goodness, it's really, really good. Another good one from the kitchen of Fun Cooking with Knox. Wow, another successful dish in my kitchen, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so, because I would love you to be a part of my YouTube family. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, I love you all. God bless you. Bye. Wow.